Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel.
Hello, my name is Ryan and welcome back. So today we're unboxing the Beats Studio 3s. These are their active noise cancelling headphones. Everyone knows about these, but we haven't seen an unboxing of one of these in a while. So it's got active noise cancellation off for low power mode. The battery should last about 22 hours. This is fast fuel, so that's different than my previous version. 10 minutes of charge is 3 hours of play. On-ear controls, I had that before, and a built-in microphone, so that's cool. So there's a couple of upgrades from my last pair. I'm not sure.
Also, the color. Just take a look. Before we get into it, just take a... Oh, you can't really see it because of the glare, but... Oh, that looks pretty fancy right there.
It's black. It's matte black. All right, so I guess we'll pop her open.
Yeah, let's get into it.
So I got my handy dandy unboxing tool. If anyone wants to support the channel and send us out a proper unboxing knife, let me know in the comments below. We appreciate any help that you want to give us.
Wow, the box looks even better now.
Looks even better. You know what? It's the Apple experience.
Yeah.
If it's not a product from Apple, is it a product at all? Jokes. We love our Android fans out there.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you haven't checked out any of our other videos, check those out. Go take a look at our channel page. We got a couple cool unboxings there. We got a channel full of everything.
Yeah.
All right. First unboxing. Wow.
Change the way you hear sound. Now that is something.
That's
impressive. Let's straighten this out for the viewers, okay? Just look at that.
Yeah, this looks so crisp because I don't know how to describe it, but the blacks
It's
of the
the
box.
Apple quality.
It's like matte black, but it's like black. Like it's black.
Okay, so if Apple changed like their MacBook packaging, you know how it's all white? If Apple made it black, that's what you would
It would look so cool. That's going to be a whole feature upgrade in the next generation.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There we are, boys.
We got the case and everything. Wow. Is there anything else? I see another pull tab.
Any goodies hiding?
Oh, look at that. So it looks like we got the headphone cable. It's always good.
Yeah.
Even though my phone doesn't have a headphone jack. We got some information here. I wonder if we got any stickers.
We gotta have a Beats sticker.
Oh, did we get a sticker? Oh, yeah. You know where that should go? That new desktop we made. Slaps right in the middle.
Desktop, check that out. We'll put the link on like that white screen up above somewhere.
Okay, let's see. They gave us some instructions here. Nothing's really changed, really. Looks all the same to me. You know, check that out later. Okay, it looks like it came with a charging cable. Let's see, is it still the standard? Yep, still the standard micro USB.
Wow, that's a little outdated now.
2021 and it's still a micro USB cable.
Well, if you look at the packaging, it said iOS 11. That's like, oh, that's
old. It's old. And you know what? This cable, like, it might seem like you don't want this, but like if you're on a desktop or something, this cable's a little short. But like, it'll do the job.
Yeah.
Okay. Some really nice matte black cables, really keeps that aesthetic going. And we got this hook. So I swear I never used this hook for my other Beats, but it would be cool if you wanted to attach it to your backpack or something.
Yeah.
All right, and now we're getting into the goods. This is an impressive case.
Yeah.
It's really like nice.
We could do an ASMR on just that zipper opening. It's
a nice zipper.
Oh, look at those bad boys.
Wow, look at those. Matte black. Unfortunately, these aren't the 10th anniversary editions like my other ones. But these are nice.
Yeah. Look at that beautiful Beats logo there.
Matte black. Remove. Charge me up. We definitely will. These are nice. And it looks like there's the same style. Nothing's really changed. Looks like the earmuff portion did get a little bit smaller though, compared to my other ones. Do you think they're a little bit smaller?
They're around the same size, but I think the design's just a little different. It just makes it look smaller. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks a little bit smaller overall. They feel lighter. But overall, very nice headphones. I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. Hopefully their sound quality is just as good as their packaging. And thanks for watching.
We'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.